How Santa is gonna come?
I wish.
What?
I wish.
Money and love.
Let's check it out. Let's go. What's up, talkers? Welcome to Street Talkers and Walkers, a Christmas in Bangkok edition. Today, we will be taking you on a unique and exciting Christmas adventure in Bangkok. But first, we will hit the street to talk to people and get their opinion on the Christmas in Bangkok. After that, we will check out the sights and sound and give our opinion on the Christmas in Bangkok. Are you ready? Let's go. So, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Dan. I'm born in Ukraine, raised in Russia, but now I spent my time in Thailand. This is Julia.
My name is Julia, and I'm from Russia.
I'm from Kazakhstan and my name is Gao.
Gao, okay.
I'm also from Kazakhstan. My name is Aysole, which means moonlight.
I'm Ryan, I'm from England.
My name is Anastasia. I'm mixed, half Ukrainian, half Russian.
Oh, that's amazing!
I'm Alicia, I'm Russian.
My name is Jaewon On, and I have a Thai name. My name is Ham. I'm from Myanmar.
My name is Lorenzo. I'm from California.
My name is Ola and I'm from Ukraine.
My name is Jennifer. I'm from New York.
What a wonderful people. We're excited to hear everyone's perspectives. Let's begin. What do you think of Christmas in Bangkok?
I think it's fun because you can go to the beach and
Yeah,
you don't need to wear so many layers of clothes. It's so warm and really interesting, but it's a little bit pity that there is no snow because Christmas is associated with snow.
Exactly.
Yeah, it feels so weird. Like, okay, it's Christmas time and where is snow?
How Santa is gonna come?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
We celebrate last Christmas in Bangkok.
Oh, really?
It was amazing.
Looks really good. There's obviously a lot of lights everywhere. Everyone seems in the festive spirit. I've seen a lot of people wearing Santa hats.
Yeah.
Seems
okay.
good.
It's really huge and it's impressed a lot.
Yeah.
You want explore everywhere and to know more and more.
It's really nice, we can also have fake snows at the central walls.
It's my first time, so far so good. I'm just waiting for all the presents.
Okay.
Christmas here. Everyone's excited. Everyone's happy. The weather is good. There's no snow, but there's good vibes. And I'd rather take good vibes than snow.
That's nice, very demure and very nice, especially with decorations.
Amazing. Christmas in Bangkok has so much to offer. We'll guide you to 6 of the best places to enjoy the holiday magic. Let's dive in. First stop is M-Sphere. The M-Sphere is a modern shopping and entertainment complex in Bangkok. It features luxury retail, diverse dining, and unique attractions in a stylish, functional setting. Its prime location and facilities make it a key part of Bangkok's vibrant lifestyle.
I love this mall so much. Everything is perfect. The setup lights, the Christmas tree, and the Christmas market inside the mall. Everything is gorgeous, And you guys should come here by yourself and check it out everything about this mall. So we have to go to the next stop. Let's go. Bye.
Next, the second stop is Icon Siam. Icon Siam is a luxurious riverside mall in Bangkok, offering high-end fashion, global dining, local crafts, and attractions. With stunning architecture and river views, it's a top spot for shopping, culture, and entertainment.
So this is amazing spot, guys. You guys should come here. I swear to God, please come here. I want to show you this. They have waterfall in the mall. It's insane, right?
Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. I love it. I love it.
The third stop is Chocolateville. Chocolateville transforms into a magical winter wonderland filled with twinkling lights, festive decorations, and a towering Christmas tree. Visitors can immerse themselves in a cheerful holiday atmosphere, savor special seasonal dishes, and capture countless photo-worthy moments in this enchanting European-style village.
Please, guys, I really want you guys to come here very much because this is a really wonderful place. everything is perfect. You know, I cannot explain because it's more than you think, more than you imagine, you know. So, but we gotta go to the next place. Let's go.
Next up, our fourth stop is One Bangkok. One Bangkok is a modern development in the heart of Bangkok. Designed to be a global lifestyle destination blending luxury, business, and culture in one expansive integrated space. The development includes high-end residential areas, office buildings, retail spaces, hotels, and cultural venues, making it a hub for both locals and international visitors.
Everyone, this place is amazing. You're gonna like it if you come here because they have Christmas tree, have fountain, and mini concert at night. So we're gonna go to the next place. Let's go.
Next, we head to Central World for our fifth stop. Central World in Bangkok, one of Southeast Asia's largest shopping complexes, features over 500 stores, 100 restaurants, an ice skating rink, and a state-of-the-art cinema. Famous for its festive Christmas displays and New Year countdown, it's easily accessible through the BTS Sky train and a must-visit for shopping, dining, and events.
I hope you guys gonna love this mall like me because of Christmas events here. It's amazing, you know. So, but we have to go to the next place. I'm sad I gotta leave this mall. So let's check it out. Let's go.
The last destination is Siam Square One, a vibrant spot to wrap up the day. Siam Square One is a trendy mall in Bangkok, offering a mix of fashion, lifestyle, and tech stores, along with cafes and dining options. Its vibrant atmosphere makes it a popular spot for shopping and hanging out.
Guys, you know what is how I just saw fast Santa Claus in Thailand. Look at that. He's so fat. Like, we should give him some salad and vegetable. He should diet, you know, he should go to gym and work out. Oh my god. And he's sitting there like for a while, so everything is gonna break down.
What a fantastic experience. These Christmas destinations are absolutely magical. We've highlighted these places and more vibrant spots in another YouTube video. Be sure to check it out. Have you experienced any of the unique local ways to celebrate Christmas in Thailand?
Yeah, I was, so Christmas here is very interesting. So depending on the area, and I live near Sukhumvit Soy 11, and someone,
that's a good place.
and I was walking there, and some lady at a couple ladies at the massage place was like, "Hello, darling, handsome man, have Christmas special." I was like, "Oh shit." Oh, sorry. I was like, "Oh wow, Christmas special." I was like, you know, I speak a little Thai. So I said how much in Thai. I was like, "Thai ti ra khap." And she was like, "Oh, don't worry, just come inside, give you a Christmas discount." So wow, I like Thailand because they really get in the spirit of giving you Christmas discounts. And then I went to Nana Plaza, and there was another group of ladies who said, "Hey, I have Christmas discounts." So I really like that about the Christmas culture here in Bangkok, especially where I live. Yeah.
Bangkok's Christmas season is truly diverse and exciting, offering something unique for everyone. I wonder how everyone celebrates back home. If you could bring a Christmas tradition from your country to make the celebrations even more special, what would it be?
Maybe like a Christmas dinner.
Like
Yeah.
How is it?
Like a roast dinner. That's probably the best thing.
What is your food that you
It'd be like roast turkey or like roast beef, potatoes, carrots, gravy, stuffing, etc., etc.
Okay.
Quite a big plate, but yeah, it's good. It's good.
Oh, my family makes something called tamales. It's a food.
Oh, food.
It's like smashed corn and meat inside meat.
Okay.
Yeah.
How it tastes?
There's different kinds. I like the ones with chili and meat. Very delicious. Yeah.
You know what I don't see in Thailand? Like candy canes.
Yeah.
Like the little candy canes, and you suck on them like. And I would bring that here because they're very nice. It's very sweet.
Yeah.
And I like how like long it is, and you can the flavor lasts very long as you suck it. So it's very good.
Maybe it's one that called like it's kind part of this that we celebrate. It's Saint Nicholas Day when we have this gift under our pillow, and it's like small surprise that we have every year. Yeah, it mostly it came on 7th of December. So you just wake up and under the pillow you have the small gift from Saint Nicholas.
We will share snow here.
I think I'll bring a little snow, so I would like to have one street just with a lot of snow.
I think everything is perfect here because you celebrate Christmas as well as we do. The only thing that we wish to bring is the snow.
Actually, there's one tradition that we want to bring here, but we can't, unfortunately, because it's summer here, and in our country, actually, during Christmas, a lot of Orthodox people go and swim. Swim in the ice water. That is one of our, I would say, Christmas traditions. Yeah, we really want to bring here, but yeah.
Too warm here, too hot.
Everyone's saying there's no snow in Bangkok, but trust me, I know where to find it. Let's head to B Story Cafe.
Guys, you will never guess which country I'm in. Look at behind me. Half snow, half Santa Claus. Guess. Wrong. I'm in Bangkok right now.
Conveniently located near Bangkok's city center, B Story Cafe captivates with its vintage European decorations, featuring stained glass, wooden furniture, and charming teddy bear accents. Perfect for Instagram-worthy moments.
I love this cafe, everyone. Everything is so chill, good quality, good price, good food, good dessert, and you know what I mean, so I don't want to explain anymore. You guys should come here by yourself.
All right, the next place is another B Story Cafe situated in a different location. B Story Garden Cafe and Restaurants offers a tranquil retreat with lush greenery and floral decor. The cafe features a whimsical charm and a diverse menu. Although further from central Bangkok, the serene atmosphere and Instagrammable architecture make it worth the visit.
Guys, you're gonna like this place because this is the best place, best cafe to visit on Christmas Day. Because everything is... I cannot say that. You should visit here. You should visit cafe in Bangkok. This is the best place you ever been before. Trust me.
The decorations are absolutely stunning, and we even got to see snow. Christmas is the time for wishes. What are everyone's wishes this holiday season?
I wish peace.
Okay.
With everything what is happening around the world now, it's a little bit scary.
Okay.
So I wish peace.
Same. Peace. And also what I wish is happy and healthy life for my family and people I love.
Just I hope my family's all good. As I said, it's my first Christmas away. So my sister's in Sydney right now in Australia. And my mum's back home in England. And my brother's working. So none of us are really together. So just as long as they're all good, I'm happy.
Okay, oh, that's so cute.
Money and love.
Just agree. So funny.
I would like to wish peace for everyone.
For everybody to be happy.
That the war in Ukraine stopped.
Okay, I hope.
One realistic wish.
Yeah.
If I one wish, I want a time traveling machine to travel in time. One wish. Okay, one wish.
Go.
No. One wish.
One wish.
I wish.
What?
I wish.
What?
I wish.
What?
I wish I met you when I was younger. I wish you had a Merry Christmas. Mwah.
Yeah. Can you say Merry Christmas in Thai?
Unfortunately not.
Actually, no.
Not, we cannot.
No.
Don't worry, I gotta teach you.
Okay, what is it?
Soup.
So,
Sun.
Sun.
One. Christmas.
Christmas.
Soup. Sun.
One Christmas.
Soup. Sun. Christmas.
Thank you for joining us on this magical Christmas adventure in Bangkok. We hope you loved exploring the city's festive spots and holiday vibes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible adventures. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite holiday destinations or questions in the comments below. Become a MasX talker for a chance to win awesome prizes. Wishing you a joyous, magical Christmas filled with love and laughter. MasX out.
The smiles of a few can change the hearts of many.
The smile of you can change the hearts of many.